The question is, can you fit 37s on a stock JK? Why is it raining all the time in North Carolina now? But to answer the question, yes, you can put 37s on a Jeep Wrangler JK. Only problem is you got to get wheel spacers, and I wouldn't ride on it very long like that without a lift, because let me tell you, this thing rubs bad. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to my wife's 2015 Jeep Wrangler JKU. And yes, it is sitting on a set of 37 by 1350 20s on a 100% stock suspension Jeep Wrangler. I got these wheels and tires for a stupid deal. So we kind of just threw them on so she could continue to drive around and everything else. But it's done today. Today, we're getting ready to go down the road. We're going to go ahead and get this thing on a lift. She was very in between, so kind of is in between on what size she wants to go with. We're replacing the suspension with what we're calling temporary, okay? Because she's trying to figure out what kind of lift she wants to go with for the long run, because we're going to get it powder coated and everything else, because she wants to start taking this thing to shows and everything else, kind of show it off, because this is her first toy, I would say, in cars, because she used to drive a Chevy Cruze, and that thing, obviously not a toy. It's not fun. This thing, as you Jeepers know, they're like Legos. You can pretty much almost do whatever you want to them and it works. But to answer any questions, to get these behemoths to fit, we had to get 2-inch wheel spacers. All right, 2-inch wheel spacers, and I will put the link in the description down below. On top of that, she didn't know what kind of bumper she wanted, so we're currently rocking the Rough Country stubby caps on the OEM bumper. She wants a full metal bumper and whatnot, but she doesn't know which one she wants to go with, because she's not a big fan of the bull bar on the front of a Jeep or anything really. So, and it's hers, so we're gonna go ahead and get her whatever she wants to get, because happy wife, happy life, you know what I mean, guys? So yeah, 2-inch wheel spacers, stubby caps. I've heard you had to take the fender flares off. I did not, but let me tell you, there is 3 of us in my household, and all 3 of us cannot ride in this thing as it sits right now. Only one person can ride. And yeah, so today she's getting a 3-inch zone lift with a slight body lift. It'll give her maybe, I would say, maybe 3.5 inches of lift. I don't know if that's going to be enough, but it should be for a little bit until we get the 6-inch lift and get everything powder coated and whatnot. And then new step rails, light bar on the top, ditch lights, all that jazz. But yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. And if you ever wondered, can you put 37s on a stock suspension Jeep Wrangler, at least for the JKs? Yes, you can, with 2-inch wheel spacers and some stubby caps from Rough Country. On the JLs, I don't know. We don't own a JL, so I can't really give an answer for that one. I would say it's the same. Yes, you could, but yeah, we're gonna be upfitting this thing today a little bit for the wife, so then everyone can ride, be happy. You don't hear any rubbing anymore, hopefully. Yay. Because yeah, you can kind of almost see where this thing rubs a little bit. It's hard to tell on camera, but yeah. Also, if you guys want to go follow her on Instagram, there's her handle right there. Boom. She's gonna start also posting on YouTube for her YouTube channel, but I'm also gonna have this Jeep on mine here. So if you guys like Jeeps, like doing Jeep things, like cars and coffee stuff, car meets, racing, stuff like that, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, and let's get going down the road. Well, it took a couple days since I previously recorded the first half of this video because I got busy. Fun fact, when we went to go do the lift, kind of forgot the GoPro battery was dead, and we thought the other backups were good too, but come to find out they were also dead. So W on my end. So we got no footage of the lift and body lift being put on. But yeah, here it is. It's my wife's 2015 Jeep Wrangler with its temporary lift on it. Previously I said, I was kind of or more or less answering the question, can you put 37s on a stock Jeep, at least a JK? The answer was yes. But now this thing's lifted, it's rides a lot better. There's no more rubbing, there's no more scrubbing, and stuff doesn't sound like it's gonna rip off when she turns. So the beauty of this, it's a zone 3-inch with a zone body lift. I think she's decided she wants to go with a rough country 6-inch, in which this, with measuring, it's like 4.5, almost 5 inches tall. So she wants to go with 6-inch, I think, but I think she's leaning more towards rough country, mainly because my shop that I own with my brother, we're a rough country dealer, so why not use the discounts, am I right? So like I said, here it is in all its glory right now. The next couple things that are coming, light bar up top, ditch lights at the bottom. Eventually she wants to get a new bumper. What kind? I have no idea. New rain guards because they're starting to fade. She wants to keep the stock flares on it because she likes those flares better than the razor flares. Eventually probably gonna put like the amp ramps on this thing because our 9-year-old kind of has a difficult time getting in this thing. But here she is. Eventually my wife's gonna have a video on her YouTube channel in regards to this Jeep of hers, kind of talking about it. But for now, I want to show you guys what it looks like afterwards, because if you have followed along in this video long enough, you saw the previous of what it looked like stock to how it looks now. Big yellow and pink Jeep. But let me know, guys, what do you guys think of this Jeep with these wheels? Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and don't forget, if you like Jeeps, or if you like racing, you like cars in general, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and tap that bell notification. And in the video that's coming after this one, that's talking about my truck that I'm working on and kind of doing up, there's kind of a giveaway going on. If that video is going to hit a certain number, plus I get subscribers and everything else, might be giving away, I don't know, a set of fuels and some cash on top of it.